Hi everyone, James Kindest here. Just a quick video on Canva and what you can use it for. I'm going to cover my templates today that I made for everybody that you might want to use. Some people are going to use them, some are not going to use them. But Canva is a great program. It will save you a lot of time. Does an awful lot from, like you can see above, like above here. You can see video, logos, does Facebook posts, invitations, cards, flyers, brochures. Just go through a few of them. Resumes, business cards, YouTube thumbnails, blog banners, book covers, just goes on and on. It will even do my story for like Facebook, loads and loads of things that you can make and do on Canva. So absolutely fantastic program. It's free to use, or you can use the pro version for, I think it's $8.99 a month. A lot of people are using the free version. I'm using the pro version myself, and been using it for a while now. Very, very good. And so let's see how you use the program. I'm going to do more videos on this in the future, on other things like how I do my story and all kinds of different things that I use Canva for. But let's go quickly to the banners, the new banners that I've made for people in the team so they can use it very, very quickly, get a picture in there quickly. You can see here, you've got a circle here where it'll be for the picture, and you put the name in here. So let's have a quick look. Now it's very, very important that you do not edit this file. You make a copy of it, and here you'll see instructions on how to make a copy of it. Basically you go to file and then you go down to make a copy. So make a copy of it of your own, and then when you're in your own account it will come up here is copy of Cash FX welcome banners. Okay, and you can change then the name of it when you've done that. Okay, so it's very important that you do not edit the file on the link that I send you, but you make a copy of it. So you go to file and then you go down from file to make a copy, so you've got your own copy of it. And a great thing about Canva is you can the links will be below the video in the description, either below if it's on, you're watching this on YouTube, above if you're watching this on Facebook. So what will Canva do? It does an awful lot. You can use your own uploads to pictures. It will connect with your Facebook and all these different other social media sites. If I quickly go Facebook, you'll see that it's connecting to my Facebook images, so I can drag over like any Facebook image that I want from my own Facebook account. But today we're just going to see what it's like to put a photo in. You've got someone that's new, just signed up. Let's say they've just signed up at the let's say the $300 level. You want to quickly do a welcome new member. And let's do that. Let's quickly do a quick welcome. So when it comes to dragging a picture, I'm just going to drag this picture over, and as you'll see, it goes in the circle ready for you. And all you've got to do here is put the name. So if we just double click that a few times, I think it's about 3 times, there we go, we can put the name in. So this is going to be Kevin and Vicky Bates. Okay, so we can put the name in, Kevin and Vicky Bates. We're now ready to copy it. So very, very easy to do. We go up here, we go to this little arrow that's pointing down, and we don't want to copy all 16 pages because obviously I've got all the templates done right up to 100k. We just want to copy what's called page 2. You can see here page 2, and so we're going to click on here, we're going to scroll down, you can see all the 16 pages here, but we just want to copy, download page 2. So we're going to download page 2, that's done. We're going to download, you can see it's now going to prepare it and it's going to download that image. Okay, so now it's sat in my downloads folder. I can now come out of everything. I can then go to my test group just to show you what it's like. It looks a little bit like my own Facebook group, but it's not. I can assure you it's my test group. You can see up here it says test group. I just test like certain images that I do. So let's have a look how it looks on Facebook. If we go to post this, let's quickly post this, and we'll just have a look what it looks like. Obviously we will put some text in the post there like congratulations, welcome to the team, blah 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 blah. And let's have a look what it looks like on Facebook. So Any minute now, we'll see. And there it is. Welcome new member. We've got Kevin and Vicky Bates, and we've got a new image on Facebook. Very, very quickly done, and very, very simple to do. So let's have a look what it's like if we were going to one of our team. I'm going to pick on Warren Wheels here. So Warren, if you're watching this, thanks for the use of your picture. So we're going to copy, we've just got someone in our team, and let's just say Warren's gone to the 50k package. Okay, let's quickly do it, see how quick it's going to be. So we're going to go to Warren's picture, we're going to save the image, and we're going to save it to our desktop or the download folder, or whatever folder you decide to do. We're going to go here to upgrades. We're going to add him in, so we're going to go to uploads. We're going to upload an image here, and we're going to use device, in other words the PC. We're going to add Warren in, and you can see it's loading now. Warren's going in there on the images. So now he's ready, and we're going to go down, what did we say? We said 50k, so we're going to go down here. We're going to go down to 50k. Okay, so now we're going to drag Warren in, and he should go in there somehow. There you go. So there's Warren, and we would put his name in, and we would do exactly the same thing. So nice and quick and easy to use. I'll be doing much more trainings on it in the future. We can just delete that. Now everything on here is pretty much locked, like all the images are locked. The only thing that's not locked is this image here, which is a frame. So you're basically dragging your image. If I just drag this image of Richard Moore, put him in there with his nice new Porsche. He's obviously on 100k, not 50k. But if you wanted to get the image so that you get more of the image in, all you'd have to do is to make the image smaller before you actually do this, because you can't make the image smaller once it goes in the circle. So if you wanted to get more in the image, you would make the image smaller before you upload it into Canva. Okay, so that's very important. If for some reason you move this out the way, don't worry, just Control Z and it will go back. Okay, and to put the name in, just click this a few times, it will highlight it, and you put the name in. Okay, and once again, to copy it, I'm just going to show you how to copy it. Let's quickly go to up here. We go here to download. You can set what image you want. Most images are PNG. You can set like JPEG or whatever it is that you want to obviously download. You can set the size. The size is obviously going to be the same, 940 by 788. We're going to select here, it's page 13. These are known as pages. So we're going to select page 13. Here we are, page 13. We're going to click on done and download. And you'll see once again it's going to download it. I haven't done his name, I know. It's going to download it to my downloads folder. In a minute I'm going to show you what this looks like, and I'll show you what it looks like when someone clicks on the image on Facebook, so you can have a look. So this one's taking a little while because it's at 50k I think. So 1 second. It's getting there slowly. It's getting there, it's getting there. Okay, so there we are. So now we can just double click on that, and it should open up, and you'll see the image, what it looks like. Let's quickly double click it again. Not sure why it's taking a little bit of time. Let's go to Facebook and see if we can upload that image to my test group. And here we go, same one, and we're going to post. We're waiting for it to load into Facebook, and then we're going to post. Obviously we'll put something in the description like congratulations, whatever. But a quick way to get your upgrade, people that are upgrading and people that you're welcoming to the team, to get them on Facebook. Now if someone clicks on the image, let's say someone clicks on this image here, they click on the image, this is what it looks like on Facebook. It looks fantastic. Well, I think it looks fantastic. And nice colours. I didn't want it too dark. I wanted something that looks sort of like celebration. Basically, CFX, global partners, as everyone deserves financial freedom, and then obviously the name. So So I hope this helps. I'll go through a lot more on Canva at a later date on other things that I'm going to be doing on Canva. The templates will be either below this video if you're watching on YouTube. On the description you'll see the links to both templates. Now there's two templates. There's Cash Effects welcome banners that I've done, and there's Cash Effects upgrade banners. I've done it in two files so that people do not have to scroll down so far, okay? Because obviously there's quite a lot of them. And like I said, I've just touched on once again, when you first go into this file, you'll see it says do not edit this file. Go to File, just going to say this once again, go to File, go down to Make a Copy, and you'll have a copy, and you'll see here it says copy of Cash Effects welcome banners. It'll be an exact copy, but when you go into your own account and you've logged into your own account, you'll have that copy in your own account. Now if you want to rename it, I'm just going to rename it, you can rename it up here. If you just quickly rename that, we'll call it Test Banner, and because it's okay to rename it then. I'm just going to put a capital T, capital B, and once we enter that, now we've got Test Banner. Okay, so you can change the name once you've copied it and when it's in your own account in Canva. So I hope that helps. Like I say, I'm going to do a lot more videos on Canva as time goes on. There's loads of things you can do with it. There's just loads. You can loads of texts, photos, all kinds of different things like backgrounds. Like I say, you can connect your own Facebook images. There's endless things that you can do with Canva. It's a great bit of software, and strongly recommend that you use it. One of the things that for using it for like when you've got people in your team, especially as your team grows, one thing I found, you need to have something that's very quick to do. So a quick image in there, goes in the circle, put the name in, and you're downloading it. Basically very quickly to do. You get it on Facebook as soon as possible, and it's better for everybody. So hope that helps, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.